Today we're gonna ride to the Moto Social meet in Toronto. Let's hit the road. The Moto Social is a worldwide movement that embraces the power of motorcycles to foster community and social gathering. They're a team of passionate riders from all corners of the globe, united by the love of two wheels. The meetings are completely free of charge and are designed to bring people together within their local neighborhoods. They happen once a month at every main city in the world. No matter where you are, there's a good chance that there's a Moto Social event just around your block, providing with a great opportunity to connect with fellow motorcycle enthusiasts and immerse yourself in the welcoming atmosphere. Whether you're a rider or not, everyone is invited to the meetings. They're all about cultivating positive energy and warm atmosphere. As we step foot into the event, a vibrant tapestry of motorcycle and people surrounds us. The air buzzes with excitement, resonating with the laughter and cheerful chatter of the crowd. Everywhere we look, a sea of people and array of motorcycles stretch out before us, a testament to the diverse and passionate community gathered here. Now, let's fast forward and witness this spectacle in motion. While motorcycles serve as the main interest, it's the people who take the center stage in this meeting.
I got wide. So see, that's what I got.
Does that too. Mine does that
this
too.
Is the one?
Under the seat, actually, I can load my helmet under my seat.
I had to buy that because it doesn't have it. That's what I was telling him, because he has the same
Mine
bike.
actually has the included feature. Yeah, I just can leave this.
Mine I can. I have to carry it.
That's how it is.
That's all?
Yeah. And these guys, they make some really cool accessories for
This is just for
this model.
Interesting.
Yeah. Yeah.
It comes with it, like.
No, I bought it. There's a company that makes it.
Very nice.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that? Oh, that was a light, like a little plane.
Check temperature.
Yeah, nice. I also actually bought the special lock for the helmet.
Leaving the meet, I'm filled with pure joy and excitement from having been surrounded by incredible individuals. It brings me great happiness to have been able to attend this event. So keep your eyes peeled and mark your calendar, as the next Moto Social gathering could be right around the corner from your doorstep.